Hello everybody, welcome to Sure Shot Archery. Anthony here, and well, another update video. I think these are pretty convenient to do, especially when I have a tournament coming up. So first off, I had a new batch of points come in. So 100 grain X10 points are back in stock in silver, black, and gold. 1-inch black tungsten weights are back in stock as well. These are all for now because demand's been pretty good, so they'll probably sell out again. Plus, I'll be bringing a whole bunch to Gator Cup. Black 120s are also back in stock for anybody that prefers the black to blue, silver, or gold. Actually, I think I'm out of silver, come to think of it, but anyway, black 120s are back in stock as well, so check them out at sureshotarchery.com. With that though, I will be taking points to Gator Cup. I'll be taking pre-orders to Gator Cup too. So if you want to pick up at Gator Cup and save on the shipping cost, send me an email, or you can technically DM me at Sure Shot Archery's Instagram, which is at Sure Shot Archery. You can DM me there or send me an email and let me know what you want to order, and as long as I have it in stock, I can pull it out of my stock. I'll put your name on it, and then you can take care of paying me in person and picking it up in person at Gator Cup. That way you can save on the shipping. Other than that, the next tournament's not until June, and that'll be SoCal, so I'll have another update video then. Other than that, videos, actually making videos. I've been putting out a lot of the videos I filmed at Arizona Cup. They've gone pretty well. So I did get a new camera lens for the camera I used to film the matches, so that should be interesting. I should be able to see the target a lot better, so when I don't have somebody that wants to volunteer to spot the arrows, I should be able to spot them myself with the lens. We're going all the way out to 400 millimeters now, so I can't really go any bigger than that. So hopefully that's enough. I think it will be. I tested it at home here, and it was looking pretty good. As for other videos, I now have a Shrewd Index. It should be an Index Light stabilizer coming in. I still have to do the video on the Nova Re-Riser from Germany. And then I have my BA Legend Arrow Spliner that I have to test. It was pretty busy between Arizona Cup and Gator Cup, so all of that will be taken care of after I get back from Gator Cup. I have a nice span of time, all of May, and then a little bit of June before SoCal. I intend on getting all of those videos done and posted in May, because I have the time. I don't see how I'll suddenly be super busy, but you never know. Life likes to throw lots of curveballs, and who knows, maybe I'll get a call for some major tournament that needs a ton of flags and flipboards and everything else, which is not a bad thing, but I do make all these by hand, so it's not necessarily like a walk in a park. You don't just like, it'll just show up. But it's good times. So that is the update. Again, if you're going to Gator Cup, send me an email if you want to pick up your order there, save on shipping. Other than that, thank you so much for watching. I think I'll make a separate video maybe in the future talking more about the camera stuff, just to see what people's feedback is between the high speed and now the new lens on the match filming camera, because that's two different cameras. So just to see what people's feedback is. But that'll be a separate video, and that'll probably come out after Gator Cup, because it's only my second tournament with the high-speed camera, and it'll be my first tournament with the larger lens on the match filming camera. So with that, thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe, and as always, happy shooting.